SDHB, your safe freestyle man. On spot single day, rhythm slaying gang. This world will never be what I expected, and now that I believe, who would have guessed it? Now you let me hear, love, not regret what I said. You make me feel like it always was too late now that you're dead. I regret what I said, that you'll be alright. When I heard you said you wanted me in your life, now even though I tried, you still died last night. You'll never be alright, baby, you're not by my side. And if there's something you want, who would have guessed it? And now I'm all alone, and fuck everything I own. It don't mean shit without you by my side, it's too late for it. I regret what I said, that you would be alright. Still hear you said that you ended your life, and now and then I try to just stay alive. Baby, we'll be all around tonight. I'll die and I'll be by your side. This what we knew. We won't go back, it's true. The time that we lost can't get back with you. The life that we had will never come true. It's all over again. Now I'm enjoying you. What I expected, now I know it don't belong. I regret what I said, that you would be alright. When I hear you're dead, I cried it in my life. And baby, you'll be great, I'll be by your side. It's all over tonight. Baby, you're turning all around, just wait on me, I'll be by your side. It was too late to save your life, so baby, please wait.